Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's just Jacquilyn. So we are back at it again. I took a little bit of a hiatus just for the holidays, and I didn't really do a what I got for Christmas just because I'm so blessed to have so many wonderful people in my life, and I just didn't want to do that. So sorry for being absent, but we are back at it with my Ipsy bag for the month of January. Now I know there is a product in here that I used my Ipsy points for because, you know, I had 15 points expiring and I couldn't let that happen.
15 points expiring and I couldn't let that happen.
So just to put in perspective how minuscule 15 points is to my points total, this is how many points I've actually hoarded even after spending that like 600 to get that. 600 to save 15 points from expiring. Yes, even after spending that, this is how many points I still have left. Review your bags, guys. Get your points. So I ended up picking a product. I can't exactly remember what it is, but I know as soon as I see it, I'll know. So at the beginning, I think that I know what it is, and then I start to doubt myself, but I end up being correct. So doesn't that kind of count for something? If you haven't already, be sure to hit thumbs up on this video if you like this. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. It'll get more frequent now because I'll get back on my schedule and, you know, holidays are all done and everything, and boyfriend's birthday's out of the way. So speaking of the boyfriend's birthday, I actually ordered a cake and it turned out even better than I thought it would. If you haven't already, go ahead and add me on Instagram and you can see it on my highlighted story, my entire day and the adventure that it took to go and pick up the cake. And I will insert a picture here so you can all see what it looked like. Let's try that again. Everything is settled down and, you know, life's back to normal, or what we consider to be normal. So, alright guys, let's go ahead and dive on in and see what I got in my month of January Ipsy bag. Now, I've been really good about unsubscribing to everything that spoils the bag, what the bag looks like, any of the products in the bag, so I have no idea at all what this bag looks like or what any of the products are. I do know that I have something that I use my Ipsy points to redeem in here, but I can't remember what that is either. So, alright, let's go ahead and dive on in and see what the bag looks like for the month of January. Also, I'm like low-key hoping it's like super sparkly because like January and New Year's. So the first thing that I have in here is a Purlisse BB Tinted Moist Cream with SPF 30. Natural looking coverage, flawless finish for all skin types, even sensitive. So here is that. Now this was just on the outside of the bag, and like I said, I cannot exactly remember what I redeemed my points for, but I was hoping that I would be like, oh yeah, that's it. But I'm not remembering what it is. So the first thing is this BB cream. Now the next thing that is in the bag that is on the outside of the bag, there's actually a couple of things. So I'm kind of like, would you get in the bag at all this month? So the first thing that normally doesn't fit inside of the zip up bag when I get them is sheet masks. And it looks like I got 2 of them here from, yeah, we're not even gonna try to butcher that. This one is You Can't Handle This Sheet, and it's got a little flame on it. Volcanic Ash, it's purifying, it's a sheet mask. And this one has hyaluronic acid and it's hydrating, and it says this sheet is bananas. So it has the brand name down here at the bottom, and I don't know how you would go about saying that. It's a banana one. And then this is the Volcanic Ash. So these will be interesting to try. I'm interested to see if this one actually smells like bananas or what. Which I'm starting to wonder, is this Purlisse BB cream? My one I redeemed, I'm still not sure. So I have something that I redeemed, and then I have my sheet mask. So we're at 2, but 1 on the 5 of the bag, if that makes any sense. So the next item, which is this here, it is whatever it is in the color Colored Pencil Eye Crayon, because I have no idea how you pronounce this first word here, or how do you say that? I don't know. Let's go ahead and see. I'm assuming it's gonna be like this color, but okay, so it is totally not this creamy like yellow color. It is a purpley brown. Whoops. So it's really soft and it's really creamy, and it's eyeliner. It's a purpley brown eyeliner from I don't know brand that I can't pronounce because I can't pronounce a lot of words, especially not anything that looks any kind of foreign. And I'm gonna say it's foreign because they put a U in color and we in America don't. So, alright guys, so let's go ahead and find out what the actual bag looks like because I still have no idea. I didn't peek into the bag at all. I was just pulling out the products that were around the outside that I could feel. And so now we are going to find out what the actual bag looks like. Oh, okay. So it's like a blue and white, and then it's got like a hot pink, reddish-y hot pink, and then it's a gold. It says Ipsy on the back. And then it's got like a little like loop, like tie there. So let's go ahead and dive on in and see what is in the bag. So the first thing always is the card. It says new year, more products, more focus on you. There's that. So I'm really starting to think that this was in fact the product I redeemed my points for, which is the Purlisse BB Tinted Moisturizer Cream, but we will find out at the end. More items because I have the eyeliner, I have the sheet mask, which even though I got 2 of them, they only count as 1 product of your 5. So let's go ahead and find out what the third product in my Ipsy bag is for the month of January, and it is from So Susan Cosmetics, a light shifting highlighting cream. So the box here is really promising and pretty. It's like a gold and goldish green, and it's just like a deco, I don't know. So let's go ahead and open this. It does say that they are cruelty-free, vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten. Ooh, here it is. Oh, it's so funny. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the PLouise base that Nikki Tutorials uses all the time.
Here we have the PLouise eyeshadow look is the PLouise base. So I'm priming. Guys, the first essential step is to prime, and I'm using my PLouise base. PLouise base. If you watch any of my videos, you know that PLouise is my favorite eyeshadow base.
With the little window and everything. But it is a So Susan highlighting cream. So let's go ahead and put that next to our eyeliner. Ew, that was a horrible noise. Now mine is squeezed out a little too much, so let's go ahead. Oh my goodness. A little goes a long way, we'll say that. So this tube here is probably gonna last me a little while. Let's go ahead and let's just pop on those cheekbones. So the fourth item in my month of January Ipsy bag is, oh, it's like a lip gloss from Fluid. And look at that. That's so cute. Look at that. The way they wrote it. I don't know why. I just really think it's really cute. And then it's like a little blue tinted. It says it's called Elsewhere. So let's go ahead and see if this has a smell and how this looks. So it's like purpley blue clear. It does have a smell. It's got like a really sweet, yummy smell, which you're not gonna eat it, but when it's something that's on your lips, it's really close to your nose, and it pays to have a really good smell. Look at that. Is this so funny? It kind of looks like a lava lamp. Like, you know those lava lamps you had? Just me. Okay. Anyway, look at that. I can tell you it already feels really moisturizing. And I just don't feel like this is something that I necessarily have to have a mirror to put on, because you can just kind of, because it's clear, you don't have to worry about like getting like color all over the place. And so first things, it's just a little sticky, but I don't mind that at all. I'm just really careful about my hair getting into it, but I really like that. I really like the little shine that it gets, moisture and everything. So that's really great. I've never heard of the brand Fluid, but I'll definitely be looking up some more products from them, because this is really great and I really love the smell of it. And in my opinion, you can never have too many lip products, whether it be chapstick, moisturizers, lipsticks, whatever. You can always have just one more. So, all right, guys, so we are down to the wire. This is the 5th and final product in my month of January Ipsy bag for the brand new year of 2019. And it is a rather large box. Oh, it's a new nail polish from Color Club, the future of color, and Feverish. It looks nice. So let's go ahead and see what color this is. Go ahead. My nails are not painted right now, and they're really chewed down because I got a little anxious about something that's up and coming, which you'll find out about soon enough.
So if you haven't already added me on any of my social medias, then you wouldn't know, but we got a puppy. And even though sometimes he bites like a little crocodile, we love him, and his name's Ragnar. And yeah, that's the big news. So go add me on all my socials, which will be linked down below, to see daily updates of his progress and the antics that he gets himself into.
And I chewed my nails down, so don't mind my chewed nails, but let's go ahead and find out how this looks on a nail. The bottle looks more brown, but then once you get it on, it's feverish. So it's like a red. So here's my red nail. The recap for the 5 products, I'm almost 100% sure now, and I'll let you know if I was right. Pretty sure this is what I redeemed my points for, the Purlisse BB Cream Tinted Moisturizer. I'm really hoping, actually, let's go ahead and see, because this is the one thing that I didn't test to see if the color was going to be accurate. So it's already kind of like messy. I don't know if you can see that. So I just dabbed a little bit here on my hand. Oh, actually, this will be a really great color because I'm kind of like a medium skin tone with warm undertones. So this blended out. I mean, it's a tinted moisturizer, not like a foundation or anything, but it like blended out really, really nicely. And it feels really, really moisturizing. So I'm really happy with that and the redemption of my points. It is a really small sample, but from Purlisse, I know they're a really great brand and it's got SPF 30. So we're definitely going to use that. And then the second product that we ended up getting was the eye crown from and then it was followed by the, it's only been like 30 seconds and I can't remember which order I got everything in. So we're gonna say it was followed by the shimmering highlighting cream from So Susan, followed by Fluid lip gloss. Don't know much about Fluid. If you do, leave that in the comments below, because I don't know anything about this brand, but I really think this is really moisturizing and it's just really good and yummy and fun and fresh. And then the last item that we got was the Color Club nail polish. Cute little bag. So that is everything for my month of January Ipsy bag. I hope you guys got some really great products this month. I always love my products. And if it ends up being something that I'm not going to use because of the color or it doesn't work with my skin tone or something, I end up giving it to friends or family so that they can use it. So no products really go to waste from Ipsy. And I always feel like I get a really great deal no matter what I end up getting. So that's really fun and fresh.
And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and leave me a comment down below.
Did you get some of these items? Did you get something different? I don't know what any of the other products were for this month, so leave me your video. I'll go watch yours. Maybe you'll have a new subscriber. Maybe you'll like me and subscribe to my channel. We'll all be fun subscriber friends. Alright guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Remember, be nice to your neighbors, say please and thank you, and hold the door for somebody. Bye guys!